In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed an Instagram photo in your website in WordPress. Whether you're looking to add a touch of visual flair to your blog or showcase content from your Instagram feed directly on your site, embedding an Instagram photo is a simple yet effective way to do it. This tutorial is beginner-friendly, so even if you're new to WordPress, I'll walk you through each step clearly, ensuring you can follow along with ease. By the end, your website will have that dynamic professional touch you're aiming for. If you don't already have a WordPress account, you can sign up using the link provided in the description to get started. All right, let's dive in. First things first, open your web browser and head over to your WordPress site. Once you're on your homepage, look for the login option. You'll typically find it in the top right corner of the screen. So go ahead and click on it. Now, instead of typing in your credentials manually, select the option that says Continue with Google. This method is not only faster, but also adds an extra layer of security to your login process. Once you click, you'll see a list of Google accounts associated with your browser. Choose the account you use to manage your WordPress site. If you don't see your account listed, you may need to log into Google first. After selecting the correct account, you'll be signed in and taken directly to your WordPress dashboard. Next, in your dashboard, locate the Quick Links section. It's usually easy to spot, and from here, click on the Edit Site option. This step will take you to your site's customizer or editor, where all the magic happens. The customizer is your one-stop shop for making changes to your website, so it's an essential tool to familiarize yourself with. Now, in the site editor, you'll see a list of your website pages. Choose the specific site or page where you want the Instagram photo to appear and click on it to start editing. Once you're inside the editor, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. You should see a small plus icon. Clicking this will open up a menu of additional features and blocks that you can add to your site. These blocks are like building blocks for your website layout, letting you easily integrate new content and functionality. In the search bar that appears, type Instagram. This will narrow down the options, showing you only items related to Instagram integration. From the search results, find the Instagram embed element and select it. This feature is specifically designed to display Instagram posts seamlessly on your WordPress site. Now, you'll need the URL of the Instagram photo you want to embed. To get this, go to Instagram in a new tab or window, navigate to the photo you wish to use, and copy its URL from the browser's address bar. Using the URL ensures that the exact photo you want will be displayed correctly on your site. Head back to your WordPress editor and paste the URL into the designated field in the Instagram embed interface. Make sure the URL is accurate, double check it if needed, because the embed won't work properly if there are any errors in the link. Once you've pasted the URL, click on the embed button. This action will immediately insert the Instagram photo into your page. You'll see a preview of the embedded post, so you can confirm it looks the way you want before moving on. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. This is a crucial step to ensure that the Instagram photo is permanently added to your website. If you skip saving, your edits won't be applied, and you'll have to repeat the process. Saving not only updates your site, but also prevents you from losing any of the work you've just completed. And that's it. You've successfully embedded an Instagram photo into your WordPress website. By following these steps, you can easily bring your Instagram content to your audience in just a few clicks. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.